Making Italian sausage at home is a total game changer. First, we're starting with natural hog casings that come pre-tubed, which makes life so much easier. We slide them off the tube, give the insides a good rinse, and then let them soak in warm water. This makes them pliable and ready for stuffing. Next up, the meat. We're using a beautiful pork butt, cubed up to ensure a perfect 70-30 lean to fat ratio. That fat is where the flavor lives. Now, here's the most important step. Put your meat and your grinder parts in the freezer until they are icy cold for about 30 minutes. This prevents the fat from melting and ensures a perfect texture. Time to grind. We're going through the coarse plate once. Then we add our classic New York City seasonings. Plenty of crushed garlic, salt, fennel, sugar, black pepper, Italian parsley, and white wine. Mix this with your hands until fully combined. Now we grind it a second time to get that perfect consistency. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves. We're mixing this by hand for a full 5 minutes. You'll feel the meat become tacky and sticky. That's the protein developing, which gives the sausage its incredible bite. Now it's time to make sausages. First, we load our stuffer canister. Add the meat in handfuls, pressing down firmly as you go to remove any air pockets. We attach the stuffing lube, lubricate it with a little water, and then simply scrunch the casing onto the tube. Prime the machine until the meat almost reaches the end. Then tie off the casing with a firm knot. Here's where the magic happens. Slowly pump the sausage into the casings, guiding it gently as it fills. This definitely helps with 2 people, one to crank and one to guide. Once you reach your desired length, just cut the casing and tie it off. We're making a classic rope sausage today, which is street fair staple. To make links, simply pinch and twist in one direction, and then pinch and twist in the opposite direction. Continue this to make perfect sausage links. To ensure a perfect cook, use a sausage pricker to pop any visible air pockets. This prevents the casing from bursting on the grill. Now, patience is the key. Let these chill in the fridge overnight. This dries out the casing, which is the secret to that world-class snap. The next day, it's time to eat. We hit a hot griddle with a little oil and lay down our circular rope of sausage. Let it sear until it's beautifully browned, and then give it a careful flip. To speed things up and keep it juicy, cover it with a metal dome. Once internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready. Just look at that. So juicy, perfectly seasoned, and bursting with that classic New York City street fair flavor. Homemade sausage? It doesn't get any better than this.